That's the protein skimmer. That is like the toilet of the aquarium. So this removes all the organics from the water. So you see here where it makes the suds, all the bubbles, they pick up the fish waste and it goes into outside of the tank into a bucket. So that's the main filtration. All right, so every tank needs beneficial bacteria. This is a bacteria that lives on surfaces. And in this tank, we have these bricks from Polyp Labs. These bricks here, they house all the bacteria. So we got 4 bricks like that in there. And this really helps with the ammonia, nitrate, and nitrates in the tank. So they eat that stuff. So this is the protein skimmer, and this is the main filtration of the tank. And this stuff here, that is ready?
Yeah.
Filming, yeah. So this is just another filter. A lot of people think this is the main filter. This is not the main filter. This is just to make the water more clear. It's just like a first filtration that removes the big pieces, the brown water. It just polishes the water. That's all it does. Yeah, there's no chemicals, to be honest. It's just doing your water changes weekly. So it's the salt water, so you get a pre-mix of salt. So you have tools that you can measure the salinity in the water. Like this is mine, so this measures the salinity in the water.
How are you?
Right here. So that measures the salinity in the water. It's going to give me the temperature also, 13.6, 13.2, 13 degrees. So you want that temperature, and that temperature is all controlled with a chiller that is underneath the tank. Yeah, all right, so this is the chiller. So that keeps the water cold right here. So we have a pump that feeds water through there, just like a radiator on the car, but it chills it. It chills the water, comes back out this way here. Then this pump here sucks from here, and also we have a UV sterilizer, which kills any bad bacteria.
Oh.
Yeah, so like the Canadian Food Inspection Agency, they want to see this UV sterilizer going.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 1 bucket a week in this tank here. So that is a 5 gallon. You can do more if you want to, but we suggest just 1 bucket a week. If it's a bigger volume of water, you do 2 buckets. But so you got to make sure that you pre-mix all the water before doing the water change. So that's it. Yeah. Well, the lobster in here, the whole point is just to hold them, and you want to sell them as fast as possible. You don't want to feed them. So it's not something where it's like an aquarium where you get a hold of lobster as a pet. Because they would need to eat, and you don't want to feed them because whatever food you're going to put in there for them is going to maybe end up rotting and make the water go foul.